Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about what I did for this assignment. So, first, this is the original image I took, and I took all of my images with my camera. So, here's the first image, and this is the original image, and this is the warm image. I tried to make it not look pink, and I don't know why it came out pink anyway. Maybe it was just the color, because the sky was really blue and it was really sunny, so I'm guessing it made it mixed in and it made it seem pink. That wasn't really my intention though, so I tried to adjust the temperature a little bit warmer. Maybe if I just picked it up like that, or not. I think I made it look a little bit more too bright. I'll just leave it how it is. So here's the red. I tried to give it a reddish orange hue to take out the pink color, but that didn't really seem to work either. So I just picked up the saturation. It didn't add so much shadow to it either. Next I have the cool toned photo. I don't think it made much of a difference, honestly, because this sky took up a lot of the picture to begin with, and I think it's just added more blue than what it already was, so I'm not really too sure if I like how this came out overall, but actually I don't think it's that bad. It just looks like cool toned. Next, I kind of like this one. Sorry. Here's the first image. It was really sunny and green outside, and green takes up most of the coloring in this photo. So here's the warm toned image. I really like the contrast and saturation that I added for this image. I went a little bit more higher in the saturation, a reddish orange hue, and for the shadows I also added the reddish orange hue and picked up the saturation a little bit, not as much as saturation, but I picked it up a little bit more, and so it kind of looks like a bronzish yellow. Or did I add yellow tones to this photo? Let's see. I didn't really mess with this one much. Oops. No, I left it like that, but I didn't really mess with the colors so much in this photo. As you can see, I only decreased the hue by like 5. Here, I didn't think I didn't think it needed so much of a warm tone coloring to make it look natural. So here's with a cool toned. I didn't do much either with this one. I didn't really change much of the split coloring. I did mainly the basic coloring, which I did just decrease the temperature and increase the tint, and edited the hue a little bit the same, -5. Next, I have this flower image I took with my camera. This is the original image I took. It looks a little dark. I think something was shadowing this photo. I don't remember what it was. So here's the warm image. I think this one's my favorite. My favorite one that I've edited so far. I really like the warm tone that I adjusted on here. I gave all of my photos like a reddish orange hue, just to add more redness to warmness to the photo. I didn't add so much saturation. I didn't want to bring it all the way up here because it was going to be way too reddish orange, and I didn't want that. Same for the shadows. I only adjusted it just right before it reached the orange reddish line right here. Same for the cool tones. This one looks a little bit more white blue. like a lighter blue color, but I still, like I said before, I didn't really add much to some of them and much changes. I mean, I did change them, but not drastically. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't really add much here. So here's my cool image, and lastly I have this photo. This is the original photo, and here's the warm photo. Didn't change much. I didn't change much, like I said earlier. Actually, I did increase the saturation because it was a cloudy day when I took this photo, so it didn't really, it made it seem like it didn't have as much color. So I went ahead and increased the saturation to that, and yeah, the temperature, I just picked it up a little bit and decreased the tint a little bit. Added a little bit of shadowing and a little bit of highlight. I didn't even add highlights. I just decreased the contrast and exposure a little bit. And then here's the cool photo right here. So thank you all for watching this video.